water suits less.
No.
It's more important
No, no, didn't. Why important?
because what he told it will come in the exam, man.
Really? You don't know it? So you know it.
That's what
The lecture?
literature, the step by step what we, because if we wrote in the board, we will go here, and then go back again to here, and we don't know the step by step. That's why you need to write sometime. Because I'm sorry.
My topic is nanowires for hydrothermal grow. Here actually a zinc oxide nanowire for high efficiency direct solar cell.
You have one of these papers?
Yeah, I already put on it. The idea of the topic is to increase the power conversion efficiency. As we know in solar cell, we use titanium oxide to produce electricity. The idea is to use zinc oxide nanowires by increasing the branches of zinc oxide nanowire to have more efficiency to produce energy, electricity or high efficiency. Desensitized solar cells is basically used, and in desensitized solar cell we use zinc oxide nanowire for the conversion of energy or to produce electricity. The idea which I told you is to replace titanium oxide in place of zinc oxide, because previously titanium oxide is used, but by using the titanium oxide as a photoanode, because as they already discussed about the solar cell, titanium oxide is used as a photoanode to produce energy, but the efficiency is not high. So idea is to use zinc oxide by treating the zinc oxide hydrothermally to increase the wire, as you have seen the figure 1, in which different experiments are done. You see the picture A, figure 1, A and B. The start of the experiment is same, but after that there are two regions of the experiment of zinc oxide nanowire. One is length growth and other is branch growth.
What does it mean? What's that? And what is the first one? Length. You have like nanowires which lay down or stay up?
They are going to do the experiment in which they perform different experiment to increase the nanowire by branch wise and also the vertical. But after that they will tell us that when they have like you see C1 and C2, they are second generation, and then after that nth generation by repeating the experiment. From C2 they will change the lengthwise growth to branchwise growth by making different experiment hydrothermally.
Will it just change the conditions of the growth, and then instead of just making like rocks, they make like tree?
Because when we have better structure of nanowires, then we have a better conversion of energy to increase the conversion. And they in the abstract they said that from titanium oxide the efficiency is 11%, but by using the zinc oxide and making the nanowires by making different experiments, they increase the conversion of efficiency of zinc through zinc oxide nanowire 5 times higher.
This is basically a similar thing like the
Yeah.
very slowly and then
to increase the efficiency. So,
it increases a lot.
Not like this. He look yeah, that's fine.
and you have seen the figure 2. In figure 2, you have seen the lengthwise growth of zinc oxide nanowires. After first experiment, the growth is little bit higher, and then repeating the experiment, the growth is more higher. And then after that, the length also increasing more. And in figure B, figure 2, section B, you have seen the growth of nanowires. And by changing the lengthwise growth to branch, then the nanowire structure, you have seen that there is a forest of nanowire by treating the nanowire harder thermally.
Not only the guy.
Scratch.
Professor is already there.
So, if I am going to finish, I will tell you the abstract of this.
Yeah, this is good.
Because I think nobody is going to understand the idea. I spent 3 days by understanding the ideas. But the idea is that by performing different experiments, they increase the zinc oxide nanowire 5 times by higher, and the efficiency increase 5 times higher. So if we use zinc oxide nanowire by treating it with different substrates, then we have a better efficiency of zinc oxide, better efficiency to produce energy.
So zinc oxide is better than
It's a photo and not using solar cells.
zinc oxide.
Oh, thank you. Nochmal.
Can you repeat maybe?
What
Before
is this?
titanium oxide
You are
is
Christ
used
or what?
as a photo and not in
This is Christian. This is here.
The female.
solar cell.
How this is
So
female?
the problem was that
Pen.
when
I know.
You know,
they have
Male and
they
the.
use the
Yeah, it's like
this desensitized
I
solar
work
cell
with female
using
and my
titanium
work
oxide.
with the male.
The efficiency is not high, and with the passage of time, the thickness of the layer increases, which also reduces the efficiency. So they use zinc oxide nanowire by treating it hydrothermally to increase the range of wire
look
to
like
make
Pena.
a polish of this to make a better efficiency. Then they explain that the life of this zinc oxide nanowire is more better than titanium oxide, and efficiency is 5 times higher.
So titanium oxide was used before,
Yeah.
normally in solar cells,
Yeah.
and now they replace it by zinc oxide and to make it into a rough structure like a tree structure or pyramid
Yeah.
structure. You can get more light in because it's going in through all these little trees,
Yeah.
branches, and so on, and being absorbed. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Very nice. Thank you very much, Faraz.